Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this show tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix black shade while using camera on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Check and adjust your color filter settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, tap on display and text size. Now scroll down and find color filter. Tap on it. Here, make sure the toggle for color filter is turned off. Solution 2. Make sure that you are not using color filter. For that, open the camera app on your iPhone. In the camera app, tap on filter. Here, make sure that you are selected original. Solution 3. Check the software update. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In the general settings, tap on software update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Solution 4. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, tap on general. In the general settings, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. For that, press and hold the side button and the volume up button together until you see the power off slider. Here, drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds and press the side button to turn on your iPhone. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.